What's up, YouTube? That's all beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. All right, today what happened? Turned the camera on late, man. I started making the beat, so today we gonna do a little walkthrough and show you what I did to create this beat. All right, turned out fire. It's real simple. Make it simple, you know what I'm saying? I always say that to y'all. Just make it simple. You ain't got to add a lot of ingredients to it. All right, so that's what we did today. Let's go, man. Let's get it. I'm gonna just show you the steps that I took to create this beat. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Leave a comment down, man. Tell me what you think about this beat. All right, let's go. Let's get it, man. Let's go. All right, first sound I started with was this from the OPX4. What we did was we created a chord progression, and then what we did from there, we just chopped them up and just moved the little notes over sides and sides. All right, so this is just the sound of the first one that we did. Let's go. All right, after we did that, then we went ahead and went to track 2 and created this with the Fabric Excel. All right, and then this is what that sound like. Let's unmute that. Here you go. Just the regular piano. Alright, so after we did that, then I took both of those and I bounced it to an audio track. Just those two, bounced it to an audio track, and then this is what we came up with. So this is not exactly what we came up with. What I did was I pitched it up 5. Pitched it up 5, and then add some effects on there. Halftime, one knob, the one knob filter, and then this delay. I mean this reverb. Alright. And then this is what it sounds like by itself. Alright, so since I pitched it up 5, I went back to, let me go back to audio. Let's take it off of solo. I went back to the MIDI track, and what I did was for my sequence, I pitched the whole sequence up 5. So this is not playing here, it is moving up 5 semitones, right? So it might be here, but it's playing in 5 semitones up because I changed the sequence from 0 semitone up to 5 to match where I did my audio. So this is what it sounds like with those two. Alright, let's bring the audio back in. Here go the audio with it. This is what it sounds like with the audio. Alright, after I did that, then I made went to track 3 and created some strings. The strings that I used was the Selena from the MPC, this right here, and then we did this. Here you go. So what I did was copy track 1 and put track 1 on track 3 for the strings. right, so after that was done, then I went to track 4. No, I didn't go to track 4 yet. I went to track 5, and then I put in from Native Instruments, I used the glaze expansion, and this is what I came up with. Alright, so then I needed some bottom end in there, right? So I went to track 6 and I created the little bass. Alright, so here you go. Alright, so that was the bass. After the bass, then I already had created like the hi-hat before I did the bass in the string. I created the hi-hat and the clap, right? So now I'm gonna go to the drums. You gotta keep it simple, man. You don't gotta add a lot of stuff to it. Alright, so now we went to the drums. Here go the drums right here. Let me just mute that. And this is what I started off first. I started off with the hi-hats first. Came with the claps. Claps after I did the hi-hats, then I came back and recorded the claps. So here comes the claps on the background. Tracking it out and then leave it just like that, man. Make it real simple so somebody can rap on it, you know what I mean? You hear when I started just mumbling on it, it sound full, it sound complete. Without the vocals, it sound okay, right? So just think about that when you